Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys ways that you can use mason jars. So you don't have to pick them up at Dollar Tree since they can be a little pricey. For $1.25 a mason jar, I found mine at a yard sale for 25 cents a piece. And then sometimes you can find really great deals at Target and Walmart for your mason jars. So without further ado, let's jump into mason jar DIYs. Okay, so this is what all of the mason jars look like I'm going to be using. So first things first, we're dumping some faux snow into the bottom of this mason jar. I had some leftovers, used that, and then I found some 99-cent faux snow from Hobby Lobby, regular price $1.99, and then 50% off. So these cute little berries and this decorative filler are from Dollar Tree, and I'll be adding only the pine cones from that decorative filler in there. I've been saving these for Christmas specifically because it has that like glitter, and that's all I could think of anytime I saw these pine cones was Christmas time. These berries, I hope they have these again this year because they are so cute. And I thought I grabbed a lot of these, but I must have used them last year. But I'm just going to be putting those on the top. And then once that was done, I just added one of these floral picks. I know this one was from Walmart. They have some really great ones. And I think they're like $1.27, or at least they were last year. So who knows what they'll be this year. But overall, I think this was so cute. And that's all I did for this one. A DIY, you'll need a bottle brush tree. I found mine at Hobby Lobby, although you can probably find them at Dollar Tree, but I love these little bottom wood stands, and be just gluing one right to the center of this mason jar and then adding some of this faux snow in there. I love this. I think it's really pretty, and you can definitely use Epsom salt if you choose to, since this is pretty messy, but I'm sure Epsom salt is pretty messy as well, but it probably smells nice if you get like the spearmint or lavender smelling one, or you can mix them together and this would look really great. This is a little truck, an ornament piece from Dollar Tree last year, and I'm just stuffing this in. Then I'm going to be adding some twine around the top, because what is a mason jar without twine? Nothing. They're nothing. I'm using this fabric glue. I actually found this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be putting this around the top to make it look like faux snow. And then once this is done, I'm going to be sprinkling that faux snow back over the top so it sticks to that fabric glue. And I just think this kind of just makes the mason jar look so much more cute instead of just adding just a couple things to the mason jar. Although you can really just opt out of this. It is completely up to you. I love using window clings in my videos, and I had this one from last year from Dollar General, and I'm just taking all these little black and silver snowflakes from the window clings and just adding them all around the mason jar. This is so easy, and they attach really well because, well, a window cling, you use it on glass, so it works really well on mason jars. So for this, I just finished this off, and then I needed a little bit of an embellishment, so I had these ornaments I picked up at Walmart last year after Christmas. So they were really inexpensive. I think I picked them up when they were 75% off. So they were under $1 for 4 of those ornaments. Grabbed some twine, wrapped it all around, and then added just some greenery. And that is all I did for this. It is so cute, and it is so easy to make. Fabric bags are from Dollar General. They were 2 for $1. I'm going to be using the smaller one, and I'm just going to be shoving my mason jar right inside this fabric bag and just pulling those sides shut so it's super tight. I had this ornament left over from last year. A lot of my items are from last year because I have a ton, but I'm sure that items like this will be back again this year. Ornament is from Walmart. Added a little twine bow to cover that hole, and then added a ton of fun greenery and berries and little wood pieces. A lot of this is from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Joann's. Sometimes Joann's has some amazing stuff when you find it like 70% off after the holiday season. That's when I grab pretty much all of my florals. Then I don't have to pay full price, because who likes paying full price? Not check out my Hobby Lobby haul, I will leave it in the link in the description box, because there is some really great finds at Hobby Lobby. This scrapbook paper, you got 60 sheets for $5, 50% off. I just rolled the scrapbook paper up, shoved it inside the mason jar, started wrapping some twine around it. I just love twine, so you're always going to see twine in some sort of my videos, especially when I'm using glass jars or doing any sort of bow. And then this looked just a little plain and boring, so I did just add some greenery to the bottom, and then this white stuff sticking out of the top. We're gonna just call it white stuff. That was from Walmart. This is a DIY. I really want to try out those famous mason jars using Epsom salt and Mod Podge. So I had Presley actually help me do this. So we dumped some Epsom salt into a bowl, and then I had this like sparkly snow left over from a different DIY from the Dollar Tree. So I decided to add some of that in and mix it all together. And then, like I said, I just have 3 of these mason jars. I love picking up my mason jars at Target when they're on sale, because you can pick up like a 12-pack for I think about $6 or $7, which is way cheaper than just grabbing them from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to be taking my Mod Podge and putting it all over the mason jar. And then for some reason, I started sprinkling the Epsom salt on top of the mason jar, and it honestly just works way better if you just dump it in, roll it around. This took seconds to realize that this was going to be the easy way out, and then Presley just helped me sprinkle it on, and I did this to all 3 of them. Once those are done, I just took some twine and some of these extra bells from the Dollar Tree and just strung a couple on, and then I ended up wrapping these around the tops of the mason jars and adding some embellishments. I ended up using bells for all 3 of them, and then twine for 2 out of 3 of them, and then I just had some extra greenery pieces that I've just cut from previous DIYs, and I just wanted to make them all just a little bit different. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. It was short and sweet, but I hope it gave you some fun inspiration to use. Mason jars are so inexpensive to come by, and you can make them look like really high-end decor just for a couple bucks. I'd say a couple bucks, but it's really under a couple dollars. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!